Hey, it's Mr. Math.
Hey students, I'm Mr. Math. Today's lesson is going to be Unit 1 Geometry, Chapter 1 Angles, Polygons, and Parallel Lines of my book, Maximize ACT Math. It's available on Amazon and my website, itsmrmath.com. Let's get to number 2 of the book to start with. All the questions are rated by level of difficulty from 1 to 10, with 1 being the easiest and 10 being the most difficult. Let's go to number 2. In the figure below, what is the sum of A, B, C, D, E, and F? Those are the interior angles of a polygon. The sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon, n minus 2 times 180. Where n is the number of sides, or the number of angles, which is the same in the hexagon, it's 6, remember. So we fill in 6 for n, 6 minus 2 times 180 degrees. That would be 4 times 180 degrees equals 720 degrees. If you chose B, you'd have the correct answer of 720 degrees. Number 4, level 4 in the book. How many diagonals, not including the perimeter, can be drawn from vertex to vertex in the figure below? Well, here's the diagonals. We can draw the diagonals, not too difficult in a hexagon. But if you kept drawing them, you would find out that it's easier to use the formula. N times n minus 3 over 2. This chapter, chapter 1, has a lot of formulas. Some are new, like this one may be new to you, but most of you have will know the n minus 2 times 180. So memorize all your formulas. Let's plug in. Again, another hexagon, 6 sides. Let's plug in 6 for n. 6 times 6 minus 3 all over 2 is 6 times 3 over 2 equals 18 divided by 2, which is 9. If you chose answer B, you would have the correct answer. Let's go to number 5 on chapter 1. If line D is parallel to line E, what is the measure of angle A? Oh, here's some music. Wow, I'm doing the Mr. Math. Now, if you have dance moves like me, which you probably don't, Mr. Math can move, send me a video. If you send me your video to dance at itsmrmath.com, I'll give you a free copy of my book on PDF. It's a $29.99 value. So for $30, just send in your dance moves. But you have to copy the Mr. Math dance. The top 10 dancers, voted by all of my students, will get a free, full comprehensive class that's over 60 videos covering every topic, concept on ACT math that you can get right here. Back to number 5. If line D is parallel to line E, what is the measure of angle A? Well, remember, if you have 2 parallel lines cut by a transversal, we remember that corresponding angles are congruent or equal, so those 2 would be equal. And another thing, remember a linear pair. 2 adjacent angles, that means next to each other, this one and this one, that form a straight line. They add to 180, they're supplementary. Since this one's 110 degrees, this one's 70 degrees, which makes this one the same because it's corresponding angle, 70 degrees. Answer choice D. Thanks for watching.
Brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still